to your seats silently, and we will start calling our first grade Super Panther leaders in Miss Little's class, Samuel and Mackenzie. Leaders in Miss Carmstock's class, Gunnar and Elisa. Leaders in Miss Roger Johnson's class, Malachi and Cora. Leaders in Miss Lively's class, Avery and Caleb. Okay, first grade. Let's hear your cheer. First grade is the best. Put us to the test. We will show the rest. First graders, please sit back to your seats because here comes second grade Super Panther leaders. Leaders in Miss Larkin's class, Jalen and Jacob. Leaders in Miss Lane's class, Armin and Chloe. Leaders in Miss Heilig's class, Alicia and Xavier F. Leaders in Miss Schmelt's class, Madison and Max. Okay, second grade, let's hear your cheer. Second grade hasn't made our clockers never fade. Here come third grade Super Panther leaders. The second graders head back to your seat. Leaders in Miss Butler's class, Remington and Brenna. Leaders in Miss McDonald's class, Star and Kylie. Leaders in Miss Perry's class, Kay and Mackenzie. Nice work for grade 9 and cheer. T-A-I-R-E. Third grade is the place to be. Come on up when you see your name, fourth grade Super Panther leaders. Leaders in Miss Rudy's class, Kelsey and Daniel. Leaders in Miss Koala's class, Gabe. Finally, here comes 5th grade Super Panther leaders in Miss Olson's class, Meredith and Eden. Leaders in Mr. Barclay's class, Kaya and Legend. Leaders in Miss Schaefer's class, Ainina and Stone. Nice work, 5th grade. Let's hear your cheer. 5th grade leads the way, showing pride every day. Another way leaders at Chinn are recognized is with prizes. When we are caught doing something awesome, we get recognized by our staff. Pamper leaders get prizes for being P for positive, R for respectful, I for in control, D for determined. These are things that leaders do E for every day. Our school-wide goal is to earn 65,000 prizes. Our student leadership team is currently deciding what our school-wide goal is. We meet this goal so far. We have earned 44,760 prizes this year. Come on, Pampers, we can do it.